Hello children, welcome to 8th social class. Children, in the last class we started the topic biosphere. In biosphere we learned a meaning of a biosphere, ecological balance. Along with that we learned what is environmental pollution. With regard to environmental pollution, we have seen different kinds of pollution like air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution as well as a soil pollution. Along with that we have seen a pollutant which cause the pollution, and also we have seen the measure as well as the side effect of the pollution, isn't it children? That is about the environmental pollution. Now not only air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution, along with that we refer few things in atmosphere which even cause the pollution, like we may tell that disturbing the environment, right? It is not only that air should get polluted or the soil should get polluted or there should be so much of a noise. It is not that. Even without those pollutants, we observe few other things which may cause the disturbance in the atmosphere, such as global warming. Okay, you may be heard the term global warming. What is a global warming? Global warming refer to, see, now in an atmosphere there is a certain temperature, right? We can adjust it to that certain degree of a temperature. If suppose, imagine that we rise up about that temperature, then what will happen? We cannot tolerate, right? That will call it as a global warming. Nowadays we are frequently facing a global warming. Okay, why? What is the causes of a global warming? It may be because of the deforestation. Cutting of a tree may increase the temperature on the earth, okay, or because of the excess or overpopulation or excess use of a mineral resources, okay, all such cause a global warming. In short, we can say that global warming is nothing but increase in the temperature on the earth, that we refer it as a global warming. And what is the effect of a global warming? We can say, see, what will happen automatically, that if you keep ice in front of the fire, what will happen? Slowly the ice start to melt. It is not that only in front of the fire, you just keep ice in front of the sun or keep it outside in a sunrise, what will happen? The ice started to melt. Even though it is very solid, it started to melt. So now the effect of the global warming, we can see that the glacier mountain are getting into melt, Himalayan mountain region are getting into melt because of the high temperature on the earth. So that when the ice getting into melt, sea level was increasing. So what will happen? When sea level increase, it may cause the flood, isn't it children? So when sea level rise, we know that 70% of our land was covered by the water. Already 70% of the land was covered by the water. Even if we are contributing more water to that, what will happen? It will disturb the existence of a human being. So one side we cannot live a peaceful living on a earth because of the global warming. Another side it will increase the high water level on the sea. So where we can see the global warming, especially we can see high rate of a melting in ice in Himalaya as well as the Arctic and Antarctic region. There we can see the effect of a global warming. Then another one is greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect refer to, we know that a sun will reduce a radiation, right? Isn't it children? A sun was reducing radiation and the earth should be in a condition where we can receive those sun rays. So the greenhouse effect refer to where the earth was not able to recreate the sun rays of a sun, or it cannot tolerate the sun rays, ultraviolet rays, that we can call it as a greenhouse effect. So in short we can say greenhouse effect refer to increase in the carbon dioxide or in the atmosphere. What is the greenhouse effect refer to? Greenhouse effect refer to increase in the carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Okay. And because of the greenhouse effect, again there is an increase in the temperature on the earth. Okay, so we can say that because of the greenhouse effect, a sun was not able to absorb the radiation from the sun. That was the effect we can say. And what made the increase in a greenhouse effect? It is because of the uses of a fossil fuel. Okay, because of the uses of a extra fossil fuel on the earth, the greenhouse effect is causing on earth. Not only that, we can, for everything we can say, mainly causes that deforestation. Automatically you see, when we are surrounded by the trees, greeneries everywhere, we can assume that our atmosphere temperature is cool and calm. If there is a cut of a tree, what will happen? Automatically we are exposed to the sun rays. Isn't it, children? So it is clear that when there is an increase in a carbon dioxide in our atmosphere, it leads to the causes of a greenhouse effect, where the sun reduces its ultraviolet rays, which earth is not able to consume that rays. That become a greenhouse effect. Now next one is ozone depletion. What is the ozone depletion? You know that ozone is a gas which exists in a atmospheric stratosphere. In a stratosphere, the ozone layer exists. You know the work of a ozone layer, isn't it, children? Which consume the ultraviolet rays from the sun and which will protect the human being. Not only human being, all the living beings are protected by the ozone layer, right? We can say that we are safe under the zone of because of the ozone layer. So here ozone depletion refer to there is a hole in a layer which existed in a stratosphere because of the pollution, especially the pollutant like carbon monoxide or the mainly we can say chlorofluoroform, CFC. Okay, because of the CFC, these I told you once in the class. Remember, children, CFC is a main gas which make the hole in a ozone depletion, where we can see the chlorofluoroform, CFC, that is in a refrigerator, AC, where excess use of a perfume, deodorant, all such gases which produce the chlorofluoroform which cause damage to the ozone. Is it clear, children? That is because of that the ozone depletion are getting into hole. Ozone depletion was getting into occur. So we can call this as a synthetic chemical. Chlorofluorocarbon is referred as a synthetic chemical which cause ozone depletion. We can say in short, ozone layer was getting into hole. Because of that, human being or the existing being was getting skin related diseases. Okay, so all these are occurring because of the ozone depletion. Then next one is acid rain. Acid rain. This is because of the pollution in an acid rain, especially sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide. Remember, children, sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide which is produced due to pollution. Okay, it is not that particularly because of these pollution carbon monoxide and sulfuric acid are producing. It may be because of any pollutant, sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide will present in the atmosphere. When rain comes, raindrops will bear which sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide which cause the diseases. Is it clear? I will repeat once again. Sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide which is caused due to the pollution, and raindrops bearing the raindrops which carry those acid along with the raindrops, and it will cause the acid rain. Okay, that too sulfuric acid and carbon monoxide, it is an acid form that comes along with the raindrops and which cause the acid rain. What is the effect of acid rain? Acid rain mainly it affects the marine life. You know that acid rain, when it soon fall on a water first, okay, ocean life or a sea life, then it will affect the marine life which was existing in a water. Along with that, the old monuments, buildings, okay, which may are getting into damage because of the acid rain. We can see not only that, agricultural crops also getting into damage. A best example is that our Taj Mahal is one of the example of a acid rain. The outer layer of the Taj Mahal was getting into destroy because of the acid rain. We can say Taj Mahal is a victim of a acid rain. That is such a white marble piece which was affected by the acid rain. Okay, that is one part. Then where else we can see the acid rain? Especially the region like Black Triangle stretching or a Poland region, we can see it. Okay, then Southeast Germany, we can see the acid rain effect. Acid rain is also referred it as a lake killer. Remember that acid rain, it is also called it as a lake killer because it will mainly fall on a lake or a ocean where it will affect the marine life. Okay, this is up to a global warming, greenhouse effect, carbon depletion, ozone depletion, and acid rain. The next one is biodiversity. What do you mean by biodiversity, children? Biodiversity refer to existence or coordination of a fauna and flora. Okay, on earth there is a varieties of a flora and fauna. We can see that combination of flora and fauna was called it as a biodiversity because in ecological balance both animal as well as a human being and also plant should be, all the three should be in a balanced manner. That will call it as a biodiversity because you know that is a cyclical process. We each other depend on each other, right? So that diversity is must and should be. Remember that because of the pollution, environmental pollution, there we can say ecological imbalance. Because of that, biodiversity was getting into spoil. Either the global warming, greenhouse effect, or the ozone depletion. You see, all these are harmful for the existence of a human being, also as an animal and a plant. Okay, it is because of us only, because of more more and excess use of a natural resources, or we are not we are not looking into the proper use of those natural resources which was getting into overuses, and we are exploiting the natural resources, we can see, right? So how to avoid this pollution, how to deserve or how to conserve biodiversity? So what is the best remedy, children? We can say we have first, our foremost duty is that we have to educate a people towards the pollution, toward the biodiversity, or we should tell that we should conserve our natural resources, or we should utilize the natural resources in a proper way so it should not disturb the future generation, right? We may have seen what is a lion, right? We may have seen what is a tiger, we may see in the plant now at present, but after 30 years we may have to show the picture of lion or the particular plant in a picture to our next generation, right? Where the biodiversity goes, right? To see to the biodiversity or to show it for the future generation, we have to make a proper use of our natural resources, and there is a concept called Save Earth. Save Earth or a Mother Planet. Save Earth and Mother Planet, that is a Slave Earth or a Motherly Planet. This is a slogan which we have to promote among the people. How we can promote? By way of a seminar or a essay, or by the judicial control, and about giving awareness about the population awareness we can give to the people. We have to conduct a seminar or the program where we can educate the people, and we can show the both side effect as well as conserving those natural resources, good effect we can say, that we can show to the people practically, right? These are the methods we can adopt to conserve our biodiversity. Even children, we can conduct this skit, how to conserve the biodiversity, isn't it? Don't you think so? These all are our duties towards our environment, right? Save earth in the sense, see, we are living in a earth, and earth is the only one planet in a solar system which provide the existence of a human being, isn't it? So it is our foremost duty to protect the environment. So this is a topic which you can use as a very good topic. It is even an essay topic. So general topic, what you have to do, children, you have to read the lesson from beginning to end and keep on telling from the day one. Read the topic, it is a good as well as for your better understanding, children. I hope you will follow the instruction, children. Read well. I will send you notes to WhatsApp. Children, take care, read well.